What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 10 ice making gadgets. Some of them make those big ice balls and they're supposed to be clear ice. So let's put them to the test. I have a whole bunch of different kinds, see which ones do the best. First one I got here, chills. Boom. So this gadget comes out like that, and it's supposed to make 2 clear ice balls, really big ones. And non-clear ice will stay in there, but the point of this gadget is to make clear ice. So we're gonna fill it up with water and stick it in the freezer. This is pretty much what I'm gonna do to all of them, see how they work, and we'll see which one will make the clearest ice. We'll simply add water right into here. Boom. Gonna go in here. Next one makes cubes. Hopefully also makes clear ice cubes. Pretty similar system, except it's going to look like that. The top one I'm pretty sure is supposed to stay clear. The bottom one's supposed to be non-clear cubes. Let's find out if it actually works. Just fill it up with water, and my goal is to get ice as clear as they advertise. All the way to the top. Now we stick it into the refrigerator. Okay, this one looks like a bunch of balls. You open it like that and looks like it will be easy to separate them. The only question is, will they work? Let's find out. Definitely not the easiest way to put them back together, but this gadget is annoying. It's how to close it and how to fill it up all the way. And it's kind of leaking all the time, so weird. Okay, it's full now. This one's a little bit easier. I'm just gonna do 2. For the next gadget, for the next ice gadget, this is Ice Genie, I think they call them. This is a seen on TV item. Okay, let's fill it up with water all the way to the top. And as soon as it's full, I think it's full now. I'm going to cover it up. Looks like it's not leaking. It's leaking a little bit on the bottom. I doubt it's going to work. It's just gonna freeze up on the bottom. I already can tell. Okay, let's do this one more time. Okay, it's to the top. Okay, this time I stuck it in a little bit harder, so it does not look like leaking. Actually it is leaking and it's not supposed to. Oh well, there's a second one. Let's try to freeze it just to see what's gonna happen. For the next 2 gadgets I got here Spillproof ice cube makers. Boom. And boom. Pretty sure it's full. Now I can close it, shake it off. Let's see if it's spilling any water. You know what? It spills a bit of water from the top over here. Not from the sides, but from the top. A bit of fail. Oh well. So let's fill up this gadget. Now we're going to close it. Now let's see if it spills. Couple drops, but wow, it didn't spill any water. You see there's water inside of those tubes. It's spilling maybe a couple drops, but that's what it's from the size that I got it wet. It's not spills. Wow. And it's also easy to open it. And look at that. All that cubes are full of water. That is awesome. And I have here ice stick tray. This is supposed to be easy to stick ice into the water bottle. Okay, let's see how well this ice cube makers did. This whole thing can come off. That way it's easier to pop out. Especially when it's all frozen. It'll be even harder. There you go. Let's open this up. Oh, this is the squares. I forgot. Look how clear they are. This is beautiful. Let me put one in a glass. And then as soon as you put a little bit of liquid in, wow, check this out. Let me take it out. Look how clear that is. Wow. I don't have a gadget that makes clear ice in cubes like that, so definitely going to use it all the time. That is awesome. So this is perfect for square glasses like that. If I fill it up with water, it's just gonna disappear. It's barely floating in there, but if it's submerged, you see, you barely can see it. Wow. Let's see if the second one is good. As soon as you put liquid on it, look at that, it's so clear. And also this kind of ice melts a lot slower. Beautiful gadget. Now let's see what this one does. Same thing, I'll have to pull it out all the way. It's been in there for 24 hours. Wow, look at that. You would have a glass like this, and then as soon as you pour liquid in, look at that. It just disappeared now. Oops, overfilled it. You can't even see that ice. It's just floating on top. If you have different color liquid, you see the ball a little better. The reason I'm using water just to show you how beautiful these ice balls are. What an amazing clear ice maker. Everybody should have this gadget. You will impress some friends, that's for sure. Let's see if this gadget did any better. First of all, it's kind of hard to open it. It is really frozen in. Okay, and I honestly do not want to break this gadget, so we're going to let it defrost. I'm going to try to take them out in like 15 minutes. Next side here, I got here ice ball makers, except it's all frozen in together and doesn't look like a ball, that's for sure. There you go. That's an interesting ball. Definitely not a clear ice. This is more like ice ovals. And look at this huge difference. Clear ice versus this, all the bubbles inside of them. And even if I'm going to put it inside of the glass and pour water in them, you see, they're really ugly now compared to those clear ice cube maker. So not as good, definitely. This one was actually really promising, but it didn't really close all the way. Then I'm gonna pull these things out. Oh, nice. They're clear ice. Beautiful. That one actually turned out pretty good. Does have a lot more imperfections though. Let's see if we have at least one that is turned out to be perfect. This one not even full, but it's still kind of fun. So that way maybe you can sit it down and that way can sit. But again, the other one is way better. The first imperfections go away quickly. So clear ice cube for sure, but not all the way ball. If you look at it, it actually cracked as soon as I put water in it, so it has a lot of imperfections. This one is perfect, but it's not full. So I'd rather stick with the other gadget. Next gadget, this is a seen on TV, Ice Genie. You know what? This is complete fail. All the water actually ended up leaking down, barely making any ice on the side, and I probably won't even be able to take it out. Yep. No way. Look at that. It's cracking there, but good luck taking this thing out. This is a good idea, but a little bit of a fail. For the next gadget, this is ice tray that makes this ice cube sticks, regular ice cubes. It's not clear or anything, but they're perfect for the water bottle. Check this out. These giant ice cubes can fit into any water bottle. This is a skinny regular water bottle. You know what's the coolest part about this ice cube tray? It's easy to press right here. There's a silicone in the back. So that way whenever you push it here, it pops up the ice. Super easy. How cool is that? And for the last two gadgets, this was non-spill ice trays. And I see some ice over here on top instead. The whole thing is frozen together. Okay, no big deal, it did come out. Okay, that's a lot of ice. It definitely expanded a lot. Whoa, look at that. And you got right here, whoa, pretty awesome ice cubes. They ended up, some of them are really high quality, halfway clear ice. I can't believe it. But I'll tell you what, was surprisingly good because it doesn't stick it just holds it, and it was non-spill. Now that it's frozen, look how easy it is to take the ice cubes out as well. Just pull it out, and even though it wasn't full all the way, the water actually expanded, and look, super easy to pull them out. Just squish on one side and they're going to pop out so easily. I love it. What a great idea, because they're circular. You just push it. If it doesn't push, push on the other side and they will come out. Some stronger push than the other ones. Very, very nice quality ice cubes for sure. And this is truly non-spill ice tray. You can get few of them, stack them up. You got a lot of ice. Look how much ice there is from one ice tray. Not bad, I would say. Almost forgot. Let's try to pull this one out. It's been at least 30 minutes. Whoa, there you go. So the bottom ice cubes are going to be regular ice cubes. And this one right here, supposed to be really clear. A little bit of the paint to take it out. Just make sure you're going to let them defrost for a while. Oh wow. Look how perfect that is. That's a perfect square though. It makes this amazing square ice cube, but it has a lot of impurities inside there. The first one, even though it wasn't all the way square, it wasn't as sharp square, but I would say the other one a little bit better because it has much more purity inside of it. It doesn't have any water bubbles. This one have quite a bit. But anyways, let me know in comments below, what do you think about this video? Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.